to the last pack out of the 6 tournament packs. Enjoying that summertime sun. And oh shoot, there's no more sun, but let's try and get the last one in before we lose sunlight. All right. Man, some of these packs have like the long crimp. This one has like no crimp. What the heck? Okay, pretty sure there's a character rare in here. You can always tell by the cut. Hippopotas, Cyndaquil, Scyther, Hisuian Growlithe, Bronzor, Grass, Jubilife Village, Dartrix, Driftblim, Phalanx character rare with Bay in the back. Ooh, and another Galarian Mr. Rhyme V. Okay, not bad. Cool packs. Woo.